Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about glucocorticoid hormones. So let's start our topic with introduction. Glucocorticoids are class of steroid hormones that are secreted by adrenal cortex. They play a vital role in regulating metabolism, immune response, stress adaptation, and maintaining homeostasis. Cortisol is the principal glucocorticoid in humans. These hormones are essential for survival as they help the body respond to stress, regulate blood glucose level, and control inflammation. Discovery and nomenclature. Glucocorticoids were first identified in 1930s when researchers discovered adrenal cortex hormones that are involved in glucose metabolism. The term glucocorticoid reflects their influence on glucose metabolism and their secretion from the adrenal cortex. Chemical nature of glucocorticoids. It is steroid hormone that is derived from cholesterol. It is lipid soluble that allow them to cross cell membrane and act through intracellular receptors. Key hormone is cortisol, that is also called as hydrocortisone, and it is the major glucocorticoid in human. Site of secretion. Glucocorticoids are secreted by zona fasciculata of the adrenal cortex, which is middle layer of the adrenal gland. Regulation of secretion. Glucocorticoid secretion is tightly regulated by hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal axis. Hypothalamus secrete corticotrophin releasing hormone, while corticotrophin releasing hormone stimulate the anterior pituitary to release adrenocorticotropic hormone. This adrenocorticotropic hormone then stimulates the adrenal cortex to release cortisol, and this cortisol exerts negative feedback on corticotrophin releasing hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormone, thus maintaining balance of glucocorticoids in the blood. Mechanism of action. Glucocorticoids enter target cell, then they bind to intercellular glucocorticoid receptor and influence gene transcription. This influence on gene transcription alter protein synthesis, affect metabolism, immune function, and stress response. Physiological functions of glucocorticoids. First is their metabolic functions. They increase gluconeogenesis, that is glucose production in the liver. They promote protein breakdown to supply amino acids for glucose synthesis. They stimulate lipolysis, thus releasing fatty acids for energy. They maintain blood glucose level during fasting. Second physiological function of glucocorticoids is their anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive effects, as they suppress inflammation by reducing cytokine production, and they inhibit immune responses, prevent overreaction of immune system. Third physiological function of glucocorticoid is stress response, as cortisol is known as a stress hormone because it increases in response to stress, thus helping maintain energy and blood pressure. Fourth physiological function of glucocorticoids is cardiovascular effects, as this hormone helps maintain blood pressure by enhancing the effect of catecholamines that are adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Fourth physiological function of glucocorticoids is bone and growth, as excess glucocorticoids can inhibit bone formation and reduce calcium absorption, leading to weaker bones. Clinical significance. First is hypercortisolism, that is also called as Cushing syndrome. It is caused by prolonged exposure to high cortisol level. Its causes may include pituitary tumors, that is caused by Cushing disease, adrenal tumor, and long-term steroid therapy. Its symptoms include obesity, moon face and buffalo hump especially, hypertension, osteoporosis, muscle weakness, and high blood sugar. Then there is hypocortisolism, that is also called as Addison's disease. It is characterized by insufficient cortisol production. Its causes include autoimmune destruction of adrenal gland or infections or pituitary gland failure. Its symptoms in this include fatigue, low blood pressure, weight loss, and hyperpigmentation. Third significance is chronic stress, as prolonged cortisol elevation can lead to weakened immunity, diabetes, and cardiovascular problems. And prolonged cortisol elevation is due to chronic stress because stress increases cortisol level. Diagnostic importance of glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids levels are measures for diagnosing adrenal insufficiency, that is low cortisol level, Cushing syndrome, that is high cortisol level, pituitary and adrenal gland disorders, and they are measured for diagnosing. Tests include serum cortisol measurement, adrenocorticotropic stimulation tests, and dexamethasone suppression tests are the tests that measure glucocorticoids in the blood. Therapeutic application of glucocorticoids. First is synthetic glucocorticoids like prednisone, dexamethasone, and hydrocortisone. They are used to treat autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. They are used to manage allergies and asthma. They are used to prevent organ transplant rejection. They are also used to reduce inflammation in chronic conditions. Side effects of excess glucocorticoids. Prolonged use of synthetic glucocorticoids can cause osteoporosis, hyperglycemia and diabetes, muscle wasting, suppressed immunity, and increased infection risk. Conclusion of this lecture video. Glucocorticoids are vital steroid hormones that regulate metabolism. They control inflammation and help the body adapt to stress. Cortisol is the main glucocorticoid that is essential for life, but imbalances can lead to serious disorders like Cushing syndrome or Addison disease. Understanding glucocorticoid function and regulation is crucial for diagnosing endocrine diseases and using glucocorticoid therapy effectively. And this is all about glucocorticoids. Hopefully you like the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.